This is a 1987 Smith natural gas water heater, and we just found out we've been leaking. I don't know, a few weeks, I guess. Really wet all over the place. What? Sipped through the wall and all. You know, I want to do the tankless replacement, but the exhaust pipe, a little complicated, so I decided just to replace it with another one. Should be a fun project for the weekend. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is a 50-gallon tank, so this shell need to be rebuilt because it's smaller. I need to make it like 5 or 6 inches bigger, and we need to replace this valve here, the shut-off valve, because it's completely broken. I don't know what happened, but when I try to close the water, it's just broken. And I cut this pipe out to see what it looked like, and look at what inside. Yikes. Gross. So first thing is to replace that so I can turn back the water. At least have cold water running. Okay. So we are taking this unit off. Just try to untie the earthquake restrainer. It's like it's stuck in forever. It wouldn't come out. I gotta go up there and take that thing off. So I want to remove this. Now I can replace it with a good one. Okay, already apply here. Okay, go another way. Okay. So whenever you want to solder, when you want to join something, make sure you prepare both sides, and instead of you do one side and then you clean it up and then you do another side, which gonna be you heat up twice. So you do like this, then you only heat up it once. Make sure it'll go all the way in. Okay. This tack it'll be. I'm gonna take it, put it out of the way. Okay, I just turned on the water and checking for leaks. Pretty dry. Okay, so I skip ahead and just finish this up and kind of give you a highlight of what is involved. So the inlet and the outlet pipes are connected, and you can see the outlet pipe is a hot water. So it's recommended insulate that pipe and put back these retain for the earthquake. As I also recommend to replace these gas hose, because the old ones, if you reuse the old ones, make sure change the washer inside at least, because once it's, you know, it's only confirmed to the old ones and you switch to using a new one, it might not seal well. and also did a leak test. You can use soapy water spray in the end here just to see if anything come out. This is the overflow pipe, and this water tank is like 80 gallons, so it's much bigger than the original one. So I have to redo this stand to accommodate it. For the new water tank, it's recommended that you should have this leak tray. So there's two types. One is metal, the other one is plastic, or whichever will works. And make sure the stand is level before you put the water tank up. This one have a water recirculation pump, but it's not connected because they not installing that. Other than that, pretty straightforward process. Whatever you take off, you just have to remember how to reconnect it back. That's it.